Do you dream of soft, naturally pink lips that light up your smile without using harmful chemicals? Well, you are in the perfect place. Your lips are one of the most delicate parts of your skin, and they deserve gentle, natural care. Dark, chapped lips are often caused by sun exposure, dehydration, caffeine, or even chemical-laden lip products. But the good news is, you don't need expensive treatments to restore their natural glow. Today, I'm revealing the best-kept secrets straight from the kitchen that will give you soft, rosy, and healthy lips in no time. 1. Honey and Sugar Lip Scrub Exfoliation Hero. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of sugar. Gently massage the scrub on your lips in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Why it works? Sugar exfoliates dead skin, while honey deeply moisturizes and heals cracked lips. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for visible results. 2. Beetroot Magic. Crush a small piece of beetroot and apply its juice to your lips before bed. Why it works? Beetroot naturally stains your lips pink and nourishes them with antioxidants. Wake up to a natural rosy tint. 3. Rose Petal Balm. Soak rose petals in milk for a few hours, grind them into a paste, and apply. Why it works? Rose petals cool, soothe, and bring out a soft pink hue in your lips, while milk moisturizes. 4. Aloe Vera Gel Treatment. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your lips and leave it on overnight. Why it works? Aloe vera heals sun damage, hydrates deeply, and keeps your lips plump and healthy. 5. Pomegranate Seeds Paste. Crush pomegranate seeds and mix with milk cream. Apply it for 10 minutes daily. Why it works? Pomegranate lightens dark lips and enhances natural color beautifully. Bonus tip: stay hydrated and use SPF. Drink plenty of water daily and never forget to use a lip balm with SPF before stepping out. Hydrated lips are healthy lips. Dash dash dash. Your natural beauty deserves to shine, and these remedies are your new best friends. No filters, no edits, just the real you with naturally pink, soft, and healthy lips. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel at Health and Wealth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our beauty secrets. And hey, stay till the end of the video for an exclusive bonus remedy that will blow your mind. Let's embrace natural beauty together, one tip at a time. Comment below which remedy you are trying first. See you in the next video.